this class, we will learn to paint greeting cards. These miniature art pieces help us to express love, friendship, and gratitude. Taking only minutes to paint each card allows us to be creative and have fun. We will paint examples of Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's cards, but after taking this class, you will have the skills to paint a unique, personal message for any occasion. I will explain how to use photos to find various subjects for painting. Our card designs will be fairly realistic, so we will need photos for reference. We will also talk about composition of greeting cards. The miniature art pieces, the same rule of composition will apply to them as to big paintings. I will show how to paint tricky subjects like candle flames, lights, and sparkling glass. We will also review materials for embellishment: gold paint, glitter, and gold leaf. Our greeting cards are waiting. Let's get started.